Hi everyone, my name is Marco. I'm in Miami. Wanted to do a quick video about why it's important that you check your air pressure on your tires, and I'm going to show you the consequences of that. Right now I'm in my 2015 Mercedes-Benz GL 450, and I have a problem with my tires, and that's due to the incorrect PSI, or pressure in the tires, air pressure. So let me show you what happened. If you notice on the pressures, it has two different types of pressures for tires. On the front, they need to be at 35 psi, and in the rear at 45 psi. Apparently what happens when I took it to get it rotated, the shop inflated both tires at 45, and so that's why the car didn't warn me, but you can see it's eaten through the middle of the tire. So by having it rotated and not checking the air pressure, um, I'm in a dire situation. I need to buy tires when they shouldn't be. I mean, obviously the thread is good on the side. It's just that it ate right through the middle. So as you can see, you need to make sure that you check your tire pressure because it affects the life and the performance of your tires. But here apparently they filled up all tires to the 45, and the car only warns you when there's low pressure, not when there's high pressure. And I obviously probably went through 2 rotations without having the air pressure adjusted, and it ate up my tires. I hope this helps you out. It's information that you really need to be able to maintain your car running properly and performing properly, and also saving you money. If you like, subscribe, and if you care to have more information about your car and how to maintain it properly, go to Altino.com, and we will help you as much as we can. Take care.